guys, today we are going to build something very interesting. We are going to build an Arduino from something like this to just a few components. So let's get started. Hello guys, Fun Electronics here, and today we are going to build an Arduino with a few components. So on this channel we talk about robotic, Arduino, Raspberry Pi and other electronic circuits. So if any of this thematic interests you, please consider subscribing. Thank you. The topic of today is to build an Arduino with a few components. As you can see here, we have like 3, 4, 5, 6 components to build an Arduino. So most of the time I use Arduino in my projects, because it's very easy to use and there is a lot of resources out there online for it. So the reason why I use Arduino a lot in my project. But today we are going to try to build an Arduino in its easy version. Because for example, if you want to build this on a PCB and you want to reduce the components, yes, you can do so. So your PCB can be very small and then very nice. Now let's talk about the component we need to build the Arduino. So first of all, we need the microcontroller, and this is the ATMEGA. And this is the ATMEGA 328P. And if you want to buy this, make sure that you buy the ATMEGA 328P with a bootloader, because if you just buy the microcontroller, that it might not work because you have to be bootloaded. And then we need this. We need 60 gigahertz crystal. We need a capacitor of 22 picofarad, and we need a capacitor of 10 micro, and also a regulator. Alright, and lastly, that I don't forget, we need a 10K resistor. Okay, now let's start the build. Alright, now we are going to put this on the breadboard, following the schematic. Let's start putting the microcontroller on the breadboard, and then as you can see on the schematic, the number 1 started from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till it goes around, and this is the number 28. So on the schematic, this 10K goes to number 1, it goes to 5 volts. So this is 10K, goes to number 1, and goes to 5 volts. And this is our 5 volt line. Let me take this out. And next we have VCC, which is 7, and 7 goes to positive this line. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is over here, and then we go to number 5. And ground, go to ground. Ground is number 8, go to ground. So number 8 will go to ground. Number 8 goes to ground. So we have this is ground line. Next we have 9 and 10. They are connected to the crystal. So here's the crystal. It's connected to 9 and 10. 3, 6, 9, 10. And then you can connect those 22 pico of this ground. It's connected to number 8. Number 9. Connected to number 9 and ground. And then the other one is connected to number 10 and the ground. Okay. Alright. And the 10 micro is connected to 22 and 20. So this is 14, 15, 20, and 22. Okay. So 20 and 22. 20 and 22. And now 5-volt regulator. You don't really need the regulator if you're going to power your Arduino with direct 5 volts. But if in case that by mistake you power up your Arduino one day with 9 volts, 5 volt and over 5 volts, then the regulator can save your circuit. So you just put it in there in case. You have input, you have output. So this is the input, this is the output, in the middle is the ground. This we have output, and then we have the ground, which is in the middle. Oh, sorry, it's connected to output. Okay. Now, alright guys, now that we finished building everything, we are going to test the circuits. So like I was saying at the beginning of the video, we are going to cheat a little because we don't have any adapter to program the microcontroller. We have to take it out and then put it like on this Arduino here, and from here we are going to program it, and then we're gonna bring it back to the circuit breadboard and see if it's working. So let's do that really quick. Oh, that's my kid right there. Honey baby. So we're going to put it like this. Okay. Once it's on it, we are going to turn over to the computer here, and then we need a cable. Battery cable. Connect the Arduino. Alright, now we are going to the computer, and then I'm going to upload the codes, and we'll see. So here's the code. Then hit upload. Once you hit upload, okay, now I think as you can see, it's working right now, right here, right? So once we take this and put it on our circuit, it will still working. So let's do that. Put this first, take it out. Okay, now I put it back over here. All right. Okay guys, now we are on the test bench. We are on test bench right now. I put it on 9 volts. Okay, we have 9 volts. Those are the inputs. We have the positive. We have negative. positive goes to positive, and then negative goes to negative. This positive and this negative instead. So as you can see, is working. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you the next time. Bye and stay blessed.